Hey guys, today, let's try to create multiple YouTube channels with one account. So if you guys would like to go and create multiple YouTube channels only with one Gmail account on YouTube, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna go ahead and teach you guys how to do this step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out just how. Alright you guys, so what we need to do first is to actually go ahead and launch the YouTube application. And once we're already here, I would also like you guys to proceed with logging into your preferred YouTube accounts. And once we're here, I want you to go ahead and proceed to the YouTube channel switchers. Actually, you can go ahead and proceed to switch your account over here. You can also go ahead and add some other accounts over on your accounts right here. And as you would notice, over here on my other secondary account, we actually have one option over here that has multiple YouTube channels. So this actually shows us that we can do this. And this is actually possible to do. But how can we actually do that? So in order for us to actually do this, of course, we need to go ahead and sign in first. And that is what we are going to do here. Actually proceed with tapping on an account and tapping on continue. When you go ahead and tap on the specific YouTube channel that you want to go ahead and access, you are gonna have also options to actually view those and also add multiple ones. Once you have the option to create a new channel available, now that will be available of course under this section. If you cannot really see it over here, just make sure that you have the latest version of YouTube, since this feature does need you guys to have the latest version of YouTube first before proceeding. But essentially, that's how you guys can do that. It is actually shown by this example on my specific YouTube channel, which has two channels under one account. Now that is all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something. And I'll see you guys on the next video.